Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 23, 52 variant question number 3. And what a question we have. A factory produce a certain type of electrical component. Okay. It knows that 50% components produced are faulty. Okay. And random sample of 200 taken as a chosen. Okay, 200 sample. So let me write as sample of 200. And use approximation method. Whenever approximation comes, it means the topic of the normal distribution. Okay. And probability more than 40 of the component are faulty. What more than 40 means? This is called more than 40. But first of all, we'll do continuity correction. So how we can do? So first of all, job number 1, whenever we have a special word, approximation word comes, okay, normal approximation, a suitable approximation, or estimate the word come. Okay, we do always continuity correction number 1 job. So how we can do it? This is a number 40, one number bigger, 41, one number bigger, one is smaller, 39. How to read this one? X is more than 40. So more than 40 means from here onwards. And we always move 0.5 backward or forward. But here, because we have to follow the arrow, so 0.5. So what is called 40.5? So I'm writing here 40.5. And how to write this one? X is more than 40.5. Done. But problem, we have a special formula for X minus mean by deviation if you want to convert into special normal format data. So this is a X, we have it, but problem, do we have a mean and deviation given the question? Answer is no. So how we can do it? 40.5 minus mean by deviation. So job number 1, we have to find the mean. Formula for the mean is NP. N is what? 200. And because he talked about a faulty, so looks at 200 come from here. And what is it faulty? And 15% components are faulty. So 15 means P means 0.15. So this becomes 0.15 is the P value. And if you check it in 1 minute, let me check. So 200 times 2.15, it's giving us 30. So mean value is coming with us 30. So mean is confirmed. So I can this plug-in value in the place of mean. So this part is very clear. So what left behind, students? Deviation left behind. What is deviation formula? NPQ root. So what is N? 200. What is the P? 0.15. And Q, 1 minus that. 1 minus 0.15. It turned to be 0.85. So when I find it, it become deviation value is coming root of 25.5. So this is a deviation value. So have a look now, student, how we can complete it now. So, so when I replace this value here, so it turned to be what? Root of 25.5. So this is done. Now, if I type in calculator and let's see what answers turn to be. Let me check. 40.5 minus 30 and divided by what? Root 25.5. And if I check it, it is turned to be 2.0793. And we did 3DP only, so this is my plan. And we'll draw a bell shape first of all. So is this positive or negative? If positive comes, students, so I make a right side. If negative, make left side. But it's a positive, so I will take right side. So 2.079. So how to read this? That is more than that. More is called this, and then lesser is called this part. But is a more he talk about, so I'll take this part because it's behaving a number line. You see, students, there's a 2.079. This is called more, okay? And this is called lesser. I hope so clear. So how to get, but when we see the table, when a phi of 2.079 comes, students, it will give you value from left corner, this one. Reason, you can see the table. When you go on this bell shape, okay, phi of z will give us from left side, never right side. So that is why when we see the table, this probability distribution table, normal distribution table, it gives us a white region, but I don't need white region. I need this region. So full area is 1, you know it very well. So 1 minus this. So I hope so clear. This will give us the white portion and this will give us the, 1 minus this whole will give us the reddish part. So this gives a probability. If I see the table 2.079, 2.079, 2.0, this line actually you talk about, and 0, this means 2.07. So 7 is here. And 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 last number. Yeah, last number. 4 add here. So when we add there, it becomes 0.9812. 9812. So 0.9812. So this is giving us 1 minus 0.9812. And after subtracting 0.0188. And that is a 3SF. And I think so this is a whole thing. Yeah, he's asking probability, that's it. And the question is completely over. I hope so. The point is very